Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to block a specific person from posting in a Facebook group using the Facebook app on your PC, based on the latest update. If you're part of an active group and want to stop someone's posts from showing up, this simple method will help you keep the group space comfortable and focused. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and navigate to the group where you want to block someone from posting. Once you're inside the group, scroll through the posts until you find a post made by the person you want to block. This step is important because the block option is accessed from one of their posts directly. When you locate the post made by that profile, look for the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the post. Clicking on these dots opens a menu with several options related to that specific post. In this menu, you will see an option to block the person who made the post. It will look something like block name of the profile. Click on that block option. Facebook will prompt you to confirm your action, ensuring you really want to block that profile from posting in the group. Confirming this will immediately prevent that person from posting anything new in the group. It's a straightforward way to manage who can contribute to the group conversations without having to leave or hide the entire group. Keep in mind, blocking someone from posting in the group doesn't unfriend or block them entirely on Facebook. It only limits their ability to post within that specific group. They won't be notified about the block, so it helps you avoid unnecessary conflicts while keeping the group's attention on relevant content. And that's it. With just a few easy clicks, you can block a specific user from posting in your Facebook group on the PC app, keeping your group's space safe and enjoyable for everyone. Thanks for watching.